Fixing HP Drivers Package 5.1 installation failure in Mac OS version 11 Big Sur. When installing the HP Drivers Package 5.1 in Mac OS version 11 Big Sur, you might see an error message. This volume does not meet the requirements for this update. Apple no longer provides HP print drivers through the Apple Software Update, or ASU. You can download the printer drivers from the HP website to resolve this problem. Note, if you installed the printer drivers before updating to Mac OS version 11 Big Sur, then your printer is not affected with this issue. On your Mac, open Safari and go to https://support.hp.com/us-en/drivers. On the web page, click on the Printer option. In the Enter Your Product Name box, type your printer model number, and from the drop-down list of results, select your printer. The Software and Drivers results page for your printer displays. The web page automatically detects your operating system. If you need to change the operating system, click on Choose a Different OS. Select your operating system and version from the drop-down list, and then click on Change. From the Software and Drivers list, scroll down to the Drivers section and click on it. Click the blue triangle next to HP Easy Start, or the other options displayed, depending on your operating system. You will now see more information about the selected driver. On the top right corner, click on Download to download the printer driver to your Mac. When the download completes, open the driver. Follow the step-by-step instructions to connect your printer to your Mac and complete the installation.